Hello Adventurion people! Join us on this unique hike in Jacques-Cartier National Park. But first we need to get to the trailhead driving this narrow and rocky gravel road. Be very careful, as on this unpaved section it is very easy to scratch the car. When searching for the hike in Jacques-Cartier National Park, I chose the Lascotora Trail. The main criteria were to have a day hike with great views. And it was the second longest trail in the park, around 16 km round trip. The longest, Le Draveur Nord, is almost 25 km round trip, and we will leave for our next visit to the park. Later we found out that Lascotora Trail is also a segment of a historical path. It was used by Amerindians and the Jesuit missionaries to walk from Quebec to Lac Saint-Jean. In fact, Lascotora is an Amerindian phrase that means the forking winter and summer paths, where the lower level was the summer path and the upper level was the winter path. Is it cold? Oh, very cold? Okay, you can drop it. I forgot when the last time we had so much water along the trail. But it was hard to stop and enjoy the views of the streams and waterfalls. Because the winter is over and mosquitoes together with annoying flies didn't let us have a break. We were still in the winter mood, therefore completely forgot to bring mosquito repellent with us. So I had no choice but to buy a repellent in the visitor center, which was not the best one. Therefore we had to apply it more often, but seems like it still didn't bother hungry insects. The second section of the trail is a prime beaver country. Unfortunately, despite considerable evidence of their presence, we were unable to see any beaver. But we had no problem spying on the group of tadpoles. Let's check out these fantastic views on the river valley from the only viewpoint this trail has to offer. These are definitely not the highest mountains in Canada, but they are definitely one of the oldest in the world. They were created 540 million years ago. But the most time we spent not staring at the valley from the viewpoint. Instead, we were attracted to this impossible construction. What do you think? Was it really built by beavers? Or people gave them a hand? All in all, the hike was a success and the Lascotora Trail became our new record. But this is not the only adventure that happened to us in this park. Therefore, I hope to see you again in the next video.